Hi everyone, this is Oscar here again from Liwaliw Travel. So anyway, we are Liwaliw Travel Network. We provide online travel agency. And doon sa mga nakakakilala na po sa atin, we are a online travel agency that provide all kinds of travel packages, no? We have already an updated portal system kung saan pwede na po kayong mag-book directly sa aming website, no? So far we are one of the affordable, cheapest airfare you can find online, no? So far we beat some of the most prestigious leading online travel agencies. So don't forget to visit our website po para makita nyo po yung mga ino-offer namin, no? Kumpleto po tayo. We are affiliate with big companies like Agoda, Expedia, Trip.com, as well as Viator. So we almost kind of like a big part supplier affiliates, no, sa kanilang mga products na ino-offer. And as I've mentioned, you guys can literally book with us online, no? If you really wanted to look for, let's say, airfare ticket or travel packages, you can book on our website directly, www.liwaliwtravelnetwork.com. And if you want full packages like this one, na you wanted to go from, let's say, other countries, sa mga kapwa natin Pilipino, sa mga kababayan natin, we encourage you to visit our website para if you want to have a customized package from airlines to hotel accommodation, as well as the transportation dito sa Rockies, no, sa buong part ng Rockies gaya ng Banff, Moraine Lake, Jasper, Yoho, lahat ng magagandang lugar dito sa Alberta, Rockies, and Vancouver. Pwede naming ma-customize yung inyong travel packages. Just contact us at liwaliwtravelnetwork.com on our website. Check us out sa mga kababayan natin, especially mga Filipino sa lahat ng parte dito sa buong Canada or sa US, no, na nagbabalak na magbisita rito. Don't forget to check us out. Anyway, this is Oscar again from Liwaliw Travel Network. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Ciao.